Au clair de la lune, number 56 of our ABCs of violin. Now, this is another one where we have the A pattern for our lines. Lines 1, 2, and 4 are all the same, and line 3 is a little bit different. So, it's really easy reading. So we're starting third finger on G. So that's our C. C, 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 D, E, D. C, E, D, D, C. Rest, rest. C, 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 D, E, D. C, E, D, D, C. Rest, rest. D, 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 A. D, C, B, A, G. Rest, rest. C, 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 D, E, D. C, E, D, D, C. Awesome. Let's pluck. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, rest, rest. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's do it with the bow. And keep in mind that we have a lift after each line. So we want to start each line with a new down bow. 1, 2, ready, go.